Homeschooling, an Israelite's journey for beginners. Tips, advice, schedules, stories, and some activities. This is a free homeschooling ebook. It is free for download on teachers, paid teachers. And here it just lets you know about Tasmac Homeschooling Academy, the academy that my husband and I own and run. It is the first and only Hebrew Israelite virtual homeschooling academy. It's dedicated to so-called Black, Hispanic, and Indigenous families. We offer a variety of subjects for infants, kindergarteners, all the way up to grade 12. We even have a homeschooling mentorship program for all parents and guardians. We have our registration link. We have our contact email. We have tips for homeschooling parents, working and homeschooling schedules, activities. We have testimonials. The most important thing to know, to absolutely know, is that the Most High, Yahweh, comes first. Nothing is done without him. Our purpose in life is to be obedient to him. This is what makes us good parents. Okay? So here we have we have a variety of things in our ebook. And here I just have it printed out. I review it. I learn from it. I learned so much while making this ebook. And we just have like examples. Families of all sizes, ages, a variety of activities, hands-on activities, drawing activities. So one of the testimonials, so she says, I always wanted to homeschool my children and believe that it should be more pushed for our children, especially in this wicked world. This sister here is actually doing it. I appreciate and love her for it. She definitely understands the assignment. Our children are precious. It's very selfless to give so much time and effort to build what she has for not only her own, but for others as well. With that being said, I know she's a great mother and wife. The water sis. The water sis. Our sis, of course, sis, you were the first option for looking through any other programs. What you're doing is amazing for our nation. Excellent tutor. We work every time toward a goal. I said at the beginning, I love that she's enthusiastic and gives constructive feedback. I just wanted to let you know that you guys do a really good job. I'm glad I decided to study with you. So definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sign your children up for our virtual academy. We even have sweaters that is on sale. So, homeschooling, free download, an Israelite's journey for beginners, tips, advice, schedules, stories, and some activities.